So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create 3D concept art scene with using Everender. So firstly guys, see that's my composition and delete your first layout, delete, and next one use plane, this one, and increase plane size. Guys, see that's my size. I like 15 and 15 by 50. Yeah, right. See, okay. So next one, guys, I take this time landscape, this one. Yeah, that's my landscape, and change guys property. So go on here and use this one, large terrain, like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so I increase segments like 500 and y-axis same 500, and select this tool. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so increase size, press S letter, increase like this, and go to little bit down. Yeah, good, much better, right? Okay, so guys, that's my flow effect. And next one, I apply 3D object. So I go to file, import, and that's my .abc format file. I have 3D model. See guys, that's my 3D model. You can download this model from our website, it's free. And scale size, guys, scale size 0.1, and import. Yeah, see guys, that's my 3D model, right? Okay, so next one guys, I take camera and camera check. Guys, set your camera angle like this. Yeah, and guys, camera angle, so holding Control Alt and press 0. Yeah, that's my camera angle. And guys, select your camera, and guys, rotation, this one I take 90, y0 and 0. Yeah, and this one 0. Guys, it's good. That's my y-axis, take like this. Yeah, more. Okay, so guys, that's my camera angle, it's good. Select your 3D object and position change like this, and rotate, little bit rotate. Yeah, and more. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, select your this one sphere, and I increase size, so press S letter and increase scale size like this. Yeah, it's good, right? See, that's our composition, right? Okay, so guys, now next one, I create particle effects. So this time use this one, UV sphere. Yeah, and guys, increase segments like 50, twin segments like 30. Yeah, and guys, see that's my radius. I like 0.01, actually 0.5, and go up and go on here. Yeah, see guys, that's my sphere. A little bit more scale size change, smaller like this. Yeah, it's good. So select this sphere, and guys, closer. Now guys, I create particle effect, so select your sphere and go to modifier, use array. Yeah, see guys, that's my count. I like 20, it's good. And guys, I change position also, this one position, and guys, increase like this. Yeah, and right click, smooth shader. Yeah, smooth shader is good. Okay, so guys, now one more time, array, this one, and that's my 2. So guys, I increase size, this one is 0, y-axis change. Yeah, and guys, count, increase like same 20. Yeah, 20 is good, right? Okay, so now guys, all is good. Unfold and click on here and apply yeah, and guys make editable, click on here and guys press P letter and loose part. Yeah, see guys, that's my individually spheres, right? Okay, so guys press M and new collection, this one. Yeah, and take your name like particle. Yeah, and press OK. See guys, that's my particles, right? So select all particles and now guys I change randomly position. So right click on here, layer, select object. Yeah, and next one go to object and transform and use randomized transform, this one. Yeah, and change guys position like this and increase and up. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful particles, right? See, and yeah, it's good. See, right? Okay, so guys my particle is really good. Now guys composition is good. Now next one I apply texture. So guys go on here and change this one, shader editor, and guys firstly I create texture for this sphere. So smooth shader and guys select your this one sphere and create new material and guys closer, click on here. Yeah, and now guys I apply image texture. So I go to add and type image texture. Yeah, and open. Guys I have planet texture, this one. You can download this texture, link in description. So open and connect with base color. Yes, see, right? Closer. Yeah, and next one guys I apply color ramp and use also bump map, actually only bump. Yeah, so guys select this color, connect with this one and this color and apply on height. Yes, and guys apply this bump on normal map. Yes, see guys, that's really good. It's really moon effect. Okay, so next one guys go on here. So guys metallic I like 0.5. Yeah, specular I like 1. Yeah, more shiny effect. And roughness I like 0.3. Yes, see guys, it's good, right? Okay, so next one guys, you can change also UV mapping. So guys simple way, so select this one, that's my texture box, image texture box, and Control T. Yeah, that's it guys, don't change anything. That's my mapping, it's automatically checked. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys my first texture is finished. Now next one I create texture for this plane. So hide and select this plane, and next one create new material. Yeah, that's for my plane. And guys this time I go on here, add and search. Guys apply noise texture, this one noise texture, and go on here. Yeah, and next one search and type math, this one, and that's my add. So guys select this one, connect with displacement, and this face connect with volume, this one. Yeah, so guys you can go to shader here. Yeah, it's also good. And guys I change base color, this one. Base color guys, color code is this one, H 0.65 and S I like 0.5. Enter. Yes, and guys also change this noise texture setting. So scale size, this one, scale size I like 20. Yeah, and detail I like 3 is good. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, so roughness is good, and yeah, and guys, this one add and increase volume, increase like 20. That's my shader effect. Yes, and guys, you can change metallic. I like metallic, increase like 1. I like 1. Yeah, and specular increase, and roughness decrease like 0.25. Yeah, and enter. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful flow effect. It's like a water effect, right? Okay, so now guys, all is good. Last one, I create material for this one. That's my landscape. So select this landscape and click on here, new material. Yeah, and guys, metallic I like 0.5, and specular I like 1. Yeah, and guys, roughness I like 0.2. Yes, that's my landscape. And change only base color. Base color guys, I take dark gray color, dark gray. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's my flow effect. Okay, so guys, my texturing is finished. Now I create material for this ring. So guys, go to here, solar model and ring. Select this first, this one, and create new material. So click on here and change material type. I use emission. Yeah, and guys, emission color I take 0.85 and same 0.85. Yeah, and guys, strength I like 200. 200 is good. So guys, select first one and shift and holding select all, and guys, I go on here, object and link, apply link material. Yes, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, go to layout mode and go to down, this one, and camera angle check. Yes, and guys, click on here, save your project. Guys, click on here. Yeah, and go to render setting. Guys, go on here, Avid render. Guys, render like 512, viewport 512. Yeah, and bloom power check and ambient occlusion check. Yes, good, right? Okay, so guys, I change background color. So go on here, background, and use black. Yes, beautiful guys. Okay, so now guys, that's my simple lighting effect, right? Okay, so guys, next one, I apply area light. This time use area light. Yeah, and go to camera. Guys, go to up and rotate this light. Rotate like this, like say 90. Yeah, and guys, out of camera, actually little bit more rotate. Actually minus 50 is good. Yes, and guys, select this light, this one, that's my area light. Select this one, and guys, power, that's my bright light blue, like 2000. Yeah, 2000. And color, guys, color I like blue, so color code is this one as 0.65, and S I like 1. Yes, beautiful guys. See, that's my beautiful texture, right? Okay, so now guys, also change shape like this, and guys, this one, that's my size, you can increase like this. Yeah, and rotation, so select this one and rotate and closer, little bit more. Yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, copy this light, select this area light and copy. Yeah, and go to down and apply on left side. and rotate this light like -180 degree, and little bit more rotate. Guys, camera uncheck and position like this. Yeah, and go to camera. Yeah, it is also good. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now I change only color, and guys, color, this one, color code is 0.85. Yes, much better. And guys, little bit back. Yes, it's good. See, right? Okay, so guys, it's really good. Density, that's my power, 150. Yeah, and guys, size like 3 is good. Yes, really good. See guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? Okay guys, now next one, I apply material for this one, particles. So guys, select this first one and create new material. That's my particle, and apply emission material. And guys, strength I like 20. Yeah, and guys, select this first one, selection object, and use link material. Yeah, beautiful guys. See, that's my beautiful lighting effect, right? It's really good. Okay, you can also change guys lighting position. It's depend on your work. So guys, lighting, rotate light. Yeah, right, it's really good. And guys, little bit increase scale size and go to up, change position. Yes, and go to camera, and see guys, that's my beautiful texture. So go to solar and ring, go to up like this. So guys, now I take one more light. So take area light, this one, and that's my top light. Yeah, that's my top light. So go to camera. So guys, select this third light, this one, go to up, select this one, and use pink color, 0.85 and 1. Yeah, and power increase. Yes, like 500. Yeah, it's good. So guys, I change position. Yeah, much better. See guys, that's my pink effect. See. Okay, so guys, select this light and little bit down. Yes, it's beautiful. Okay, so guys, see, that's my beautiful lighting effect, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.